Y'all, I'm so proud of me. Yesterday I started on a project that I've been wanting to do for a minute. Check this out. Y'all, I'm exhausted. Good thing I ran out of paint because I would still be trying to go at it. I have finished one. Well, I really haven't finished any of them. I've kind of done the outside. I still got to do the other side. But girl, these doors is a trip, but it's looking good. It's gonna look really nice down through here, more elevated. I really like that, more elevated. So I'm super excited, but I got paint on my hands, and y'all know I've been working. Look, my press ons have finally popped off. I've been working, and I'm tired. So I'm gonna carry on this project. More than likely, I am just going to reveal to y'all the finished process, because I don't think I'm going to be recording and painting because it's too much. It's just too much. And I still got a lot of doors to go. I still got the closet, hall, the inside of the front door, inside back door, storage in the laundry room, our closet door, just a lot. So I had ordered only one can of the little, I don't know if that's a quart, I don't know what it is, because I really didn't know how much, and I didn't want to get a whole gallon and be lugging it around. But I'm probably going to end up using a gallon, but I did it that way just because, you know, it's just easy to maneuver for me. But I will list the color that is across the screen or down in the description box if you're looking to do something like this. I did not paint the trim around the door because if you do that, then you got to paint the little baseboard around there, and I'm not about to do all that, girl, not me. So that's it. That is my day today. It's been very fruitful, and I multiplied. Okay. Yep. Your girl has started painting the doors in the house. Just economically couldn't afford to buy new doors, but I decided to paint them, and it's bringing me such joy. It's so exciting. I know it's gonna look really good once I finish. Right now it's like, do I like this? But I think it's that thing. Yeah. We good. Lay my burdens down at the feet of grace. Took a deep breath. What's up, babes? Really? Bruh. What's up, babes? Sweet Angel right here. How y'all doing? Y'all, I had a wonderful night's rest. It's 11:15. I'm not just getting up. I just washed my face, but I got to hurriedly get into my beauty room to go ahead and do my facial massages this morning to depuff my face. But y'all, I had a good night's rest. I slept all the way through. I mean, I didn't wake up till like 9:30, and that's because I had to go tinkle. But listen, it's been a great, beautiful, peaceful morning already. And girl, I'm on my game. Let me tell you something, what I promised myself for the new year. This is a little bit of a change that is making such a difference in what I see and absorb, okay? And that is making sure that I fix my bed, or should I say our bed, since I am a married lady. Oh yeah, fix the bed every morning. And this is making such a difference in how I get my day started. Okay. Just, tidy it up a bit. Okay. And that has been making a difference for me. Just want to get the day started with y'all. Let me go in here and depuff this face, drink me some water, drink my tea, drink my chlorophyll, all those good things like that. Okay. Yeah, that's what we're up to. Okay, y'all. This is it. The house is getting disassembled of Christmas decor. It will soon be all boxed up in just a little bit, taking it all down. The tree ornaments are off. Got to take the lights off and put the tree up. Yep, it's almost over. I really didn't plan on doing this today, but why not? Let's get it done. Missed one item, but for the most part, y'all, I got it done. I got all the Christmas decor put up. Well, taken down at least. What we're going to have to do is just get this done tomorrow because I am done. Tree is down. Everything is put away. Okay? For the most part. Yeah. Y'all, good night. I will talk to y'all maybe tomorrow because we are finito.